Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to Patch.
Yes. Today we're going to be doing a review on the glorious Helios hard mouse pad.
And we have the extra large version, so it's a 16 by 18 inch design here, very similar to other shapes that we've seen from like Logitech and other companies like that.
How do you game on a smaller pad? I don't know.
I couldn't do it.
Yeah.
I mean, if you're rocking like a high sense, like a nutty high sense, then maybe you might want a small one. But for me, I like having as large as possible.
It is perfect
for the mouse pad.
Or he just has his entire desk.
Yeah,
so
my entire desk
can
is
do
mouse
that.
pad. But
yeah. So here is the little box that it comes in, or is this a box? It's more of like a little envelope.
Because it's a hard mouse pad, you can't bend it.
No,
you don't want to bend it.
I accidentally did, and I messed it up. So it's
got like a crease on the bottom.
Yeah,
and that will not come out.
I don't know if you guys can see that. So I messed up, and I accidentally creased it a little bit.
So that's why it's packaged like that, because you cannot bend this guy.
No,
can't roll it up or anything like that. You definitely want to keep it flat.
Yeah. Yeah. So but yeah, this is super thin, really thin. It's paper thin.
0.5 millimeters.
Yeah.
Which is crazy, and like I just put it on my desk. I was honestly not expecting much. I was like, oh, it'll probably be the same as my old mouse pad.
Yeah.
It was not, like, at all.
I love hard mouse pads.
Yeah.
That's the only way I will play now, because I love it, you know?
Honestly, this is crazy, because like I put my mouse back on there and it felt like my mouse was lighter, and it felt like my mouse had hyperglides on it.
Yes.
Like, I didn't know, like, it made this mouse, my G Pro Wireless, feel like a brick. It's not. But like, then I put it on here and it feels super lightweight, because there's so much less friction on the hard mouse pad surface than standard traditional cloth mouse pad.
Yeah.
Which was insane, and it's such a thin material too.
Yeah, I love it. Also, there is an adhesive on the bottom. I mean, obviously ours is super dirty. I gotta clean it, but you can just wash it off with water, just some warm water, and then dry it off, and then it'll stick right back on the hard surface or your desk or whatever, you know.
Yeah, that's another one of those nice things, is just being able to just wash it off in the sink real quick.
Yeah. Or
bathtub, whatever, and you just wash it off, clean off the adhesive, and then just stick it right back onto the desk, and it like sticks. So there's no need for like the rubber bottom on there.
So like, it moves right now because it's dirty, but once I clean it, it'll stick back, you know. So yeah, I mean, we would definitely recommend it. If you never tried a hard mouse pad, definitely do it.
You have to.
You have to.
You absolutely have to. I mean, they're crazy.
It's just so smooth, so much quicker with your flicks, with your tracking and all that, and it feels awesome.
And the thing is, like, I would have never even bothered to try this, like, had our buddy Eric not like given us his. Like, he literally gave it to us, and I probably would have never bought a hard mouse pad before this. Yeah, but then I try this, I'm like, I can't go back.
Yeah, I can't.
It's crazy.
100%, you guys should definitely try. This exact mouse pad is the one we've tried, so we probably recommend this. But if you want to try a different one, it's probably around the same thing. You know, a hard mouse pad is probably going to be smoother and better than a soft mouse pad. So definitely go ahead and check it out. If you guys want to get this, we'll leave a link in the description box. One thing to note is that it is a little raspy, so you can hear it. Obviously, when you're playing, you have headphones on, you're not gonna hear it, but you know,
sandpaper. The mic might pick it up if you don't got like a crazy mic setup.
And also, it does wear out your skates a little bit faster than soft mouse pads would, so just be careful on that. But other than that, really nice mouse pad.
So you guys can pick this mouse pad up for 25 bucks on Amazon. We'll leave links to that in the description, but I mean, 25 bucks for something that's like this, I mean, this is pretty nutty. Yeah, honestly. Like, you don't really like need to replace this. You just wash it off when it's dirty.
Yeah, and also like, if you don't want to hyperglide your mouse, but you want something really fast and smooth, just get a hard mouse pad, you know. But anyways, that's the video. Hope you helped you guys out, and we'll see you guys in the next one.
See you in the next one.